here at 1611 First Street Northwest in DC. I am Chaffin Donofrio of KCD of Long & Foster, and I'm so excited to share this amazing new listing we have coming to market. It's a 2-level, 2.5 bath condo in a boutique building in Truxtun Circle. And what I love about Truxtun Circle is the walkability. You can get to restaurants, shopping, so close by, and you're next to 2 metro stops. So let's go. Thank you so much for touring this absolutely fabulous home. If you'd like more information or to schedule your private tour, then please call or text us. And we'll see you on the next one.